did you guys know that dogs are my favorite animal? Like, I would have dogs all over my house if I could. Especially if they're Bostons. Oh. Hi friends! I'm coming to you today kind of looking like a hot mess, but that's okay. You know, I don't need to have a full face of makeup every time I want to talk to you guys, because honestly, if you meet me in person, chances are I look like this. So today's going to be a little bit of a different kind of video where I'm just going to share a really quick and easy tip with you guys. This is a trick that's really been helpful for me, so I wanted to share it with you so that you can save some money and learn how to clean your beauty sponges. So if you want to learn how I clean my beauty sponges in a very affordable way, in order to make the beauty sponges looking as good as new, then just keep on watching, girl. Okay, so you guys, it's gonna kind of blow your mind. Initially, I thought that if I wanted to clean my beauty sponge to look like it was just store-bought and good as new, I thought I needed to buy like a special cleanser that the beauty sponge companies sell, or just like a very special brush cleaner or beauty sponge cleanser. I realized after watching April Athena 7 here on YouTube, if you don't know her, please check her out. She's super duper awesome and she's really big here on YouTube, and I've been watching her for a long time. I don't know how a person can be that bubbly and incredible and sweet and does it all. So yeah, check her out. But I actually learned it from her, and I figured if some of you guys don't know this trick, it'd be worth sharing with you guys. Basically, if you want to clean your beauty sponge, all you have to do is take like ivory bar soap, like just a bar of soap. I'm not even kidding you. A bar of soap. It could be even Dove, because that's what I use. I use like the Dove white bar. Take the bar of soap, wet the sponge, saturate it with water, and then I just rub this beauty sponge on the surface of the bar of soap. I just go like this, and then I kind of squeeze under running water, just squeeze a couple times and make sure I get the soap evenly distributed all throughout the sponge, and I kind of rinse it, and then I kind of repeat the process until I don't see any more facial product left on the sponge. So I hope this tip helps you guys, and let me know if it works for you. It has certainly done miracles for me and saved me a lot of money and not having to buy all of those fancy specialized brush or sponge cleaners. Yeah, it's just a matter of using a simple bar of ivory or Dove soap. I would highly recommend that you guys try it out if you haven't heard this tip already, and please do let me know how it goes, and hopefully it will be a success for you guys as well in getting your sponges looking as good as new. Alright, that's pretty much it for my quick Jane's beauty tip of the day, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do want to mention that if you're not part of the Breath of Beauty family yet, what are you waiting for? You know you belong here, and I and Tibbers, we both welcome you with open arms. Alright, with all of that said, remember you guys, you are beautiful, amazing, and marvelous, no matter what anybody else tries to tell you, and despite what society or even yourself, like your mental self, likes to throw at you. Please remember that you are so beloved, and I'm always rooting for you, and I'm so grateful that we are friends. Alright guys, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye!